Okay, the past simple. What is it and how do you use it? We're going to find out right now in the video. But if this is your first time here, then subscribe and press the bell notification next to it if you want to expand your English, increase your vocabulary and speak like a native Englishman. But let's get started right now. So the past simple is actions that happened at a fixed time in the past. So things that happened at a time in the past. So for example, Adrian recorded the video on Saturday. Saturday. We add ed to the verb. So recorded, record, recorded. Adrian recorded a video on Saturday. Adrian recorded the video on Saturday. She watched the football match yesterday. She learned to play the guitar years ago. Again, actions that happened at a fixed time. Years ago, Thursday, Saturday, yesterday, a week ago. It happened in the past and now it's over, but it's a past tense verb. Adding ed. So let's think, you watched the video yesterday. You subscribed today. Today, you subscribed today. Ah. You driven, you dived, well, some irregular verbs, so like you flew, but you could say you could think of ran. I'm thinking of those irregular verbs, but let's say you watched. You watched this video on your own time, in your own time. You subscribed when you were ready. That time is fixed, but it's not necessarily concrete. When you're ready, here and there, over time. But the point is, an action that happened at a fixed time in the past. So something happened, is now finished, it's over, at a time in the past. And we add ed to the verb. How cool is that? Let's keep going, let's keep learning. So, let's look at a few sentences then, and how to create a sentence with the past simple. So we have the subject, who the sentence is about, plus the past verb, with the ed, plus ed, to make it a past tense, if it's a regular verb of course, and the rest of the sentence. The rest of the sentence. So, I played, with the ed, rugby, or a sport, a bit like American football, rugby, yesterday. Again, that time, that space and time, yesterday. When did it happen? Yesterday, today, last week, last year? You tell me, you tell me. So what did you do? You watched the video? You washed. You washed. You washed. You washed the car yesterday. You washed the car, past verb, the thing that happened, yesterday. You cleaned the shirt. You cleaned the shirt yesterday. You cleaned the shirt on the weekend. Very good, very good. You did anything really, you can do whatever you want. He watched the TV show, film, watched the TV last night. She washed the car with him yesterday. Oh, with him yesterday. We walked to the cinema yesterday. We walked to the party yesterday. She cleaned her hair. She cleaned her hair last night. Ooh, last night. They, what did they do? They walked their dog to the park. Yeah. How cool is that? Look again, so subject, who the sentence is about, past tense verb, with ed and the rest of the sentence. Normally when it happened. Yesterday, last night, last week, things like that. Or recently, or just before. Yeah. So I recorded this video on a Saturday. Recorded on Saturday. How cool is that? Let's keep going, let's keep going. But when it comes to making the sentence, it's worth understanding that not all verbs simply add an ed at the end. They are what's called irregular verbs, where it gets a bit weird. So look, let's look at some examples. So dance, dance, dance. Because already got an E, we just add the D. Danced. She danced last night. Last night. She danced last night. Very good. Very good. Try. Oh. Remove the Y. We don't need the Y. Get rid of it. And we add I-E-D. Try. Tried. 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 But some words are interesting because we have a consonant, a vowel, A-E-I-O-U, and a consonant. So we don't just say stopped, P-E-D, we double the second consonant. S-T-O-P-P-E-D. So we double the consonant and add ed. Stopped. Stopped. I was stopped by my friend. I saw him last night. Wow. So let's look at some examples. Jumped. Jump. Jumped. Ed. Quite simple. Nice. Ed. Ed. Saved. I saved the game. I saved the file. Save, ed. It was the D actually. Save. S-A-V-E-D. Cried. 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 C-R-Y. Get rid of the Y. Add the I-E-D. She cried last night. She cried in the movie last night. She cried. Cried. And stepped. 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 S-T-E-P. Double P again. Double the P, add ed. Double the last consonant and add ed. If it's a vowel, consonant, vowel, consonant. Consonant, vowel, consonant. Then double the consonant and add ed. English can get a bit weird at times, I must admit, but. And then lastly, arrived. Already got an E, just add the D. Already got an E, just add the D. Already got an E, just add the D. Cool. Alright. Let's keep going. Let's try some more. Let's try some more. But it's worth understanding that other kind of sentences are phrased a little differently, but it's still in the past tense. Something that happened in the past at a fixed time, but now it's over. So the be always changes depending on the subject of the sentence. So I was early to class. He was drinking last night. He drank last night. They were learning English. They learnt English. You were here last night. We can still use the be form in different ways, was and were, to create a past simple tense. It's worth understanding that. Worth understanding and recognising that. So yeah. But let's look at a few other verbs. Let's look at how verbs can get a little more crazy and weird because English is crazy and weird. Yeah, because some verbs are irregular, meaning that they don't simply add ed at the end to create the past tense. They change almost completely. So for example, went. We don't say wented, we went go. Or we just change went, keep it as is. Went is past tense, but the point is they change. So have turns into had. I had the pen in my hand. I had it in my hand. Do turns into did. I did that last night. I did the washing last night. Put doesn't move, doesn't change, it's simply put. I put that on the side yesterday. I put it on the wall here, over there, yesterday. Come turns into came, or even come. Come here. Did you come here last night? Yeah, I did. I did come there last night. Go. To go turns into went, as I mentioned. Went. Where did you go? Where did you go? I went to the party. Party. See turns into saw. Look at that. I saw you yesterday. Something happened in the past. It's now over at a fixed time. I saw him last week. I saw her just now. I saw them at the party. Eat turns into ate. A-T-E. Ate. Ate. I ate that yesterday. I ate that this morning. I ate this in London. I ate this in Paris. Last week. Drunk turns into drank. I drank too much last night. Oh, wow. I drank way too much last night. Let's leave it at that. Let's leave it at that. Swim turns into swam. How many times did you swim across the channel from England to France? I swam it a few times last year. I swam it in the spring. I swam it in the winter. Woo! Very cold. So how cool is that? How cool is that? So remember, not all verbs simply add ed. The irregular ones, well, they are irregular. They're just irregular, weird. They change. Do, did, put, come, have, had, see, saw, eat, ate, drunk, drank, swim, swam. They're nicely weird. Because English is nicely weird. How cool is that? And there we have it. The past simple tense. So remember, it's things that happened at a fixed time in the past and are now finished, over, ended, no more, cease to exist, so on and so forth. We simply add, most of the time anyway, we add ed to the verb. So watch turns into watched. You watched the video just now. Very good. Very good. Who's a good viewer? Who's a good viewer? Very good. So dance. Dance turns into danced. We add the D. Because already got the E, just add the D. Add the D. Try with a Y. Get rid of the Y and add ed. I-E-D. Try, tried. I tried to learn English. Oh, wait, I already know it. I tried to learn Chinese then. Ooh, okay. Okay, I tried to learn Chinese just now. Wow. Stopped. Remember, consonant, vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel, consonant, double the consonant, add ed. How cool is that? So yeah, that's it. We're using things that happened in the past and talking about it in the present, and it's finished. It's over. Ceased to exist. How cool is that? But also, if you want to keep learning English, expand your vocabulary, learn more English, increase your confidence and speak like a native Englishman, then click on the subscribe button below and press the bell notification right next to it for the latest videos and uploads. How cool is that? But, bye for now.